How to buy TWT at Hotbit exchange. What is TWT, by the way? Trust Wallet Token, TWT, is a utility token that can only be used within the app. This will be used to incentivize all Trust Wallet users. They encourage everyone to contribute and be more informed in the crypto space. Their goal is to give everyone access to cryptocurrencies and educate through owning their first crypto. Open your Hotbit exchange app. If you don't have, you can download it at the Play Store. Then enter my ref code if you would like to, or use my referral link https://www.hotbit.io/register. Ref equals 163279. That would be appreciated. In this video I have deposited XRP. We will trade XRP to USDT, then trade USDT to TWT. Once logged into your account at Hotbit, click on Funds tab at the bottom right. You will see all your coins that has balance. To start trading, click on the Market tab. Then search XRP on the search box and then select XRP, USDT pair. Then click on the Sell button. From here, fill out the amount of XRP that you would to sell. If you want to sell all, just click on the 100%. Then click on the Sell XRP button and then confirm. My XRP has been successfully traded to USDT. Now, we will trade USDT to TWT. Click on the Market tab again, then search TWT. Then click on TWT, USDT pair. Then click on 100% and then click on Buy TWT button and confirm. Click on Funds tab at the bottom right and you should see your TWT balance.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.